The day has just begun. Let light shield and guide our way. Let it chase all the bad guys away. Shine so brightly that it's hard for them to see that there was any kind of darkness that lived within me.